still end up being cheaper than...
So this is all going to cost you... No, shit, no. 2, not 5 of each. Would you like to try some beer?
I would love to try some beer.
I made a extract kit, Black Rock Lager.
Ooh.
And I'm wanting your opinion on the beer.
Well, I do love lager.
Welcome, Nick, one of our seasoned home brewer. He's been all grain brewing for how many years, Nick?
10 years.
10 years. This guy's a magician, a mechanic, a brewer. Generally just loves beer. So what do you reckon, Nick?
Nice and clear. It's got a good lager aroma to it. Nice and clean. That is beautifully clean and crisp.
Would you drink that on a hot summer's day?
I'd drink it on a cold summer's day.
Well, let's hope we don't get cold summer's days.
No, but this is brilliant.
Good. Yeah, so I fermented this at 12 degrees, so it's got that real lager characteristic, hasn't it?
Nice.
Hey, do you want to be in our video? I'm just doing like a tasting video on a Black Rock bag in a box beer that I brewed.
Yeah.
You up for a free sample?
Absolutely.
Free beer?
Free beer. Sky's gonna fall.
All right. Okay. So I'll take that as a yes.
Yeah.
Here you go, Mike.
Oh,
What do you reckon?
Right.
What does it look like?
Looks like a lager to me. Fantastic.
It is a lager.
Mm.
I don't know if you've seen these before.
I haven't used them before.
They're really simple to use, and it's just a bag of extract in the box.
Yep.
And you're doing all grain, right? So yeah, you're doing it. You've been doing it.
Ferment a bit of hot water.
Yeah.
Away you go.
Yeah, that's it.
That's how I started.
That's how you start.
That's how you start.
A lot of us start.
Great start.
Yep,
Yeah.
absolutely. These are probably one of the better kits I've tried since I've been brewing.
Yeah.
So these are made in Dunedin, and I heated up a pot of water, 5 litres, threw the extract in, and Whirlpool some hops in.
Oh, what'd you
Just
pop in?
Rewalker and Wakatu.
I just kept one last night with a bit of Rewalker in it, and it's got a very similar smell.
Yeah. It's quite hot, isn't it?
That was the Resurgence, your Resurgence.
Oh, yeah.
So it's got a very similar nose to that.
Yeah, no, that's a great beer, that one.
Oh yeah, that's lovely. Nice and clean.
Yep.
Got that little bit of reasoning Rewalker in it. Nah, magnificent.
Pretty easy drinking, eh?
Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers.
Nice.
Okay, here's the beer.
Alright.
All right, Steve.
Hey,
Are you ready?
looks good.
So this is
Oh yeah?
this.
Oh yeah, crafted lager.
Yep, crafted lager.
You doing anything different?
I did. So for the people that are watching, this is the follow-up video on the Whirlpool hops that I did with the lager. So I took 5 litres of water in a pot, heated, brought it up to the boil, put the extract kit in, and then I Whirlpooled in around about 60 grams of hops. So that went into the Whirlpool.
Yep.
And 60 grams of hops.
What hops did you use?
I used 30 grams of Wakatu, 30 grams of Rewalker. Yep. And then I cooled that down, added more water, topped it up, pitched the yeast, and then like day 6 I added another 60 grams of Wakatu and another 30 grams of Wakatu and another 30 grams of Rewalker.
In a lager.
And I fermented it cold at 12 degrees.
12 degrees?
Yeah.
For how long?
About a week.
No.
Yeah, it was just coming tail end of winter, and it was cold in here, so
True. Yeah,
I had the coolness of the room to.
Cool. How long have you been lagering it for?
That is probably about 2 months.
It's pretty clear.
Real clear, isn't it?
Yeah.
You can see through that. So what?
I can get stuck in?
Yeah.
Do I have to be delicate?
No, you can just drink it as you love it.
Damn, that's nice. It's got a fair bit of bitter to it as well.
Yeah, so I got a little bit of bitterness from the Whirlpool.
Yeah. I wasn't expecting that out of a lager, that's for sure.
kind of like a dry citrus kind of thing going on.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like
Yep.
it's kind of orange peely, but pleasant, not in like a really harsh way.
Nice.
Yeah.
There might be the Rewalker
Yeah.
hops.
That's good.
Would you have another one?
I'm about to chug this one.
That's
That's really good. What ABV?
5.3.
That's pretty decent.
Yeah, so and they state on here, so your stats. So 5.3, your final gravity
Yep.
starts quite dry.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that would be the dryness.
Yeah. So drinkability, it's really drinkable, and you know everything finished up exactly how
Great.
it was on the box.
That's what we
So
83% Pilsner, 10% sucrose, 7% wheat malt.
yeah, so the sucrose will be the dry part of it that dries it out a bit.
Yeah.
Which for a lager is perfect, right?
Yeah, I don't tend to use much sugar, but I've been reading up a bit more because I'm going to be doing bricks and sort of wild ferments. And but I was looking into, because I didn't want to ruin all my equipment straight away with brick. So I was like, okay, how can I try more drier brews? And I was like, okay, and then reading up about actually using sugar and stuff. I didn't know that you can use sugar to help dry things out.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Or low mash temp.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like 63s and stuff.
Yeah.
Nice.
Hey, how's it going?
Hey, how are you?
Good, thanks. I'm just wondering if you'd like to be in our Black Rock lager tasting video. Would you like a free beer?
Oh, yeah, I won't say no to that.
Yeah? Okay.
Yeah, go.
Perfect. All right, I'll just go and pour you a beer.
Amazing.
So this is an extract beer. So this is, everything's in the box. All we need to do is add water and hops.
Exciting.
And you just stir it in and it ferments away. But it's a lager. Would you like to give me your honest opinion on the beer?
It is delicious.
It's delicious?
It is delicious. It is very nice and smooth. And what else can I say about it?
Would it have any fruity notes? Or
Not so many fruity notes. I expected more, but I'm really happy with that because I'm more the not so fruity beer drinker.
Oh, perfect. So
It's really good.
would you drink another one on a hot summer's day?
Well, yeah, sure.
Should we ask him?
Hey! How you doing, Stuart?
Thanks, Dan.
Good.
I do one of these.
His name's not Stuart.
It's Vic.
It's
That's
Vic
all right.
Stewart. I always get it around
That's
the wrong
all
way.
right. It's,
Very
we
nice.
have a double-barreled name like
Yeah,
that.
no.
Easy mistake.
Oh, no.
My wife drinks the Black Rock, and she has the Pale Ale, and that's all she wants to drink these days. Loves it.
So
But I do.
Very refreshing.
I do throw in extra hops, though.
Okay.
Not too much because she's not a really
Not the hoppy person.
hoppy person, whereas I might have 200 or 250 grams of it in the beers I like.
Do you want to taste a beer that Dan made here with this one? But he did some special thing that he will tell you about it while you're tasting the beer, if you agree to
Is the
taste it.
sun up over the Ardo?
Yes,
Definitely.
somewhere.
Somewhere.
It happened at 8 o'clock this morning.
Okay.
Yeah, in Japan.
Probably.
Be back. All right, Victor.
Okay. And what have we got here?
You can be the judge of this one. I pulled some hops in there, so I heated up 5 litres of water in a pot. I put the contents of the bag into the pot, and I stirred in 60 grams of hops and stirred it for 15 minutes.
Wow.
Yeah, and that sort of gives it a bit more bitterness,
Yeah.
slightly, not a lot, but good flavour.
Yes. Yeah. I
And-
like that. Yeah.
You like it?
I do. I don't tend to go for the lighter beers. I like the the IPAs, a bit of colour, bit of
grunty.
bitter, and that red IPA, which is my favorite.
Mm-hmm.
But it's funny, myself and Jill, she's drinking her pale ale, and I'm drinking mine, and we swap glasses. So I'm just for a taste.
Nice.
And I definitely prefer mine. She prefers hers, but that is very refreshing. It is lovely. Yeah.
Great. I fermented that one cold too, at 12 degrees.
Did you?
Yeah.
I'm
So,
doing all mine at 19, 20.
yeah, so with this one, because it's a lager, it comes with a lager yeast.
Yeah.
You've got temperature control, haven't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you could do it 12 degrees, it takes longer,
Yeah,
so 10 to 14 days.
yeah,
But you get that real crisp finish on the end of it because of that cold fermentation.
yeah.
Mm.
Well, I've come in to buy my Brick Road
Okay.
IPA, but I was also going to pick up a box for Jill.
Okay.
I might try that one and do the same.
Yeah, you want to try that and do the same?
Delicious.
All right.
Yeah,
It's
that's
really good.
lovely. Yeah.
Excellent. Okay. Well, that was a good result.
It was.
You got to taste it, and now you can brew one of your own.
Okay, but how much hops did you put in yours?
120 grams for the whole thing.
Already prepared your hops, and you put that in as well, do you?
Okay, guys, you saw the results there. So we thoroughly recommend giving this a go and pimp your own brew. Thanks for watching. Happy brewing.